Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Moongdal Poha Kheer. Moongdal Poha Kheer is a delicious Indian dessert made with moong dal, poha, milk and jaggery. It is a popular sweet dish that is often prepared during festivals and special occasions. Moong dal is rich in protein and when combined with milk it enhances the protein content of the kheer. Protein is essential for cell growth, repair and maintenance of tissues in the body. The combination of moong dal, poha and jaggery provides a good amount of carbohydrates which are a source of energy for the body. This makes moong dal poha kheer an excellent choice for a quick energy boost. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of moong dal. Clean at least twice. Add little water and soak for 15 minutes. In a vessel, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, few almonds and few raisins. Here I use chopped almonds. Roast the nuts on low heat. If you are new to my channel, please check out other recipes in my channel. In the same vessel, add soaked moong dal. Close and cook on medium heat. Add water if needed. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes for the moong dal to be cooked perfectly. You can check whether the moong dal is cooked perfectly or not as shown in the video. Here moong dal is cooked perfectly, but there's little water in it. So I cook for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. In the same vessel, add 1/4 cup of poha. Dry roast them on 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. In the same vessel, add 1 cup of milk. Wait until milk comes to boil. Now add boiled moong dal and roasted poha. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Stir occasionally or else it will get burnt. Now add half cup of jaggery. Mix well. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Close and cook on low heat. Now add roasted nuts. Add 1 tablespoon of dry coconut powder and mix well. Switch off the flame at this consistency. Once cooled, it becomes thick. Very tasty and delicious Moongdal Poha Kheer is ready. You can serve it hot or you can refrigerate and serve. This sweet recipe is prepared for naivedyam or for dessert also. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.